Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 3. Give answers of the following questions. Answer. Here are sample answers for the 25 questions. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading a book. Where do you go on weekends? I usually go to the park on weekends. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Abu Bakar. When do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Why do you like reading books? I like reading books because they help me learn new things. How do you spend your free time? I spend my free time watching English Kids Madani channel or reading. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Where is your school located? My school is located near the city center. Who is your role model? My role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When do you usually do your homework? I usually do my homework in the evening. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to improve my communication skills. How do you celebrate your birthday? I celebrate my birthday with my family and friends at home. What is your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is pumpkin. Where do you want to travel? I want to travel to Medina. Who helps you with your studies? My elder brother helps me with my studies. When do you feel happiest? I feel happiest when I spend time with my family. Why do you enjoy playing sports? I enjoy playing sports because it keeps me active and healthy. How do you travel to school? I travel to school by bus. What is your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject in school is mathematics. Where is your favorite place to relax? My favorite place to relax is the garden in my house. Who inspires you the most? My mother inspires me the most. When did you last go to a park? I went to a park last Sunday. Why do you want to be a doctor/teacher/ etc.? I want to be a doctor to help people and save lives. How do you prepare for exams? I prepare for exams by making a study schedule and revising daily. What is your dream job? My dream job is to become an engineer. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.